Good morning to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi. Ungowe Ketelo. Yo guys, I'm so offended. It's yazini angazi. I'm so offended this morning. Angazi noma ngiyibize ngebhadi or ngiyibize njengento ukuthi abantu abadala bebefuna ukusivula amehlo. I saw a video ne guys ngithe nje ngiqala ukuvula ifoni yami ekuseni and I saw a video. Eish. I'm offended for on behalf of self-initiates. Not because mhlambe it was directed to me, but mina ngimthanda umuntu okhuluma into angayazi guys, and mina ngimthanda umuntu okhuluma into enobu-selfish nokufuna ukuthi abe ku-power trip yokuthi izinto zaziwa uye yedwa nokuthi ukuthathela abantu phansi nokuthi just because wena u-understand ijeni yakho manje sekufanele sikujaje. I'm one person. I don't judge because I was taught first of all self-initiate is not selfish. Self-initiate is not on ilento kuma-thoughts emali. Yabona, if you are going to be a self-initiate uhlala unemiqondo yemali yokwenza imali, you're going to be in trouble. Uhlala unemqondo yokuthi abantu they ufuna uku-acta esugobela, you're going to be in trouble. I want to explain something about a self-initiate. A self-initiate mentor. I want to explain something about a self-initiate mentor, and maybe being there also explain the depression that I spoke about in terms of spiritually gifted people and self-initiates. Depression on self-initiates. Guys, when we say we mentor self-initiate, asibhadalwa. Let me just make it clear. Angibhadalwa for mentoring a self-initiate because you awuthwasiswa yimi. Your guides are initiating you. I'm just guiding you ngendlela bona bangibonisa ngayo. For instance, let me explain it like this. Because abantu seemingly think maybe sithola imali ifana nezabo gobela. No, doesn't work like that with self-initiates. The first time engizokubhadalisa yona, it's when ngikukhanyisele so I can understand your guides. So I know your guides. I know uhamba nobani, because sometimes people uzomentorisha akutshele ngomunye umuntu kanti that's not their guides. And guys, it's very simple to say to someone. Yabona, when you say to someone, you on your own as a self-initiate, you don't need a gobela, you don't need a mentor. Bafuna uzenzele wena. Guys, people are falling into depression because of that statement. People are falling into depression because that's funny. You know, when you've never experienced things, mina ngiyathanda ukuthi umuntu athule. I've had clients who umbona ukuthi umuntu ukuthi lo une depression anytime angazibulala. Lo muntu unama suicidal thoughts. Guys, self-initiate, nobody said it was easy. Ayikho into difficult njengaleyo if you're doing it on your own. I did it on my own, but into mina engayithola, I got somebody who guided me. I got a mentor. That mentor is not my gobela. I only saw that person once when I lost my child, and I saw a medium, and I'm happy enough or appreciate her because washo nje wathi kimi, gogo, kanti yini inkinga yakho nokuthi usebenze the way abantu abadala bafuna usebenze ngakhona? Because already I was on self-initiation. But I wasn't doing it, and I've explained this when I did my intro. I wasn't doing it publicly. So that's what she said to me. You understand? Because ezinye izinto bekeyitshelwa yimi, she never said no, lay wrong, lay right. We don't correct and say ama guides akha wrong bawakutshela le. Because ama guides will only give you guys a short thing. Bakunikeza ama dots to connect. Bakunikeza ama pieces of puzzle, abakuhlanganisela puzzle. You have to hlanganisa the puzzle by yourself. So what a mentor does will help you ukuthi okay, le piece le yes uyifakile but uyifake endaweni wrong. That is why we do not get paid, because We do, because we are not gobelas. Asikuthwasisi thina. I'm not going to tell you ukuthi thatha ini uhlanganise nani. That's your imsebenzi wamagayithi wakho leyo. However, I can advise ukuthi you go, uyabona mabakubonisa into nje, you go about it this way. Mabakubonisa ibhayeli nje lisebenza kanje. Kushuthi balifuna kanje. And in most cases uthola ukuthi uwongitshelayo, I'm just there to listen. I'm just there to listen, because as I'm listening and as you are telling me, believe me, you get answers. So when you say to people, you as a selfish initiate, you on your own, guys. I-selfishness asiyekeni kancane ukuthi sifuna ukuthi sibonakale ngathi sazi kangcono. Asiyekeni kancane. The reason why abantu abadala even taught us to go onto social media and spiritually teach people or teach people about spirituality is because babonile ukuthi there's a gap. Guys, kunabantu abafikayo kithi, mina I'm going to be honest, kunabantu abafikayo kithi gobela, thola ukuthi umuntu unamathwasa but umuntu yena self. Umuntu yena self akaqedile. Umuntu yena self akayazi into ayenzayo. Kunabantu abahambe bayothwasa who are self-initiates because they did not understand what they were seeing, and instead of lo muntu ukuthi athi no mntanami wena wamthwasisa. But we don't judge them, we don't say, because lo muntu bekangazi ukuthi enzeni. So now i-mentorship ye-self-initiate, guys, it's not like a gobela, it's not like everyday calls. Awuvuka emzini wabantu, and in mentorship ye-self-initiate there's no harshness yokuthi utrain emzini womuntu ufane kuvuke nga this time nani. I-harshness uyithola from already, uyithola from your guides ngathi ngama-challenges abazowaletha. It's not up to me to be harsh on you. So to tell people ukuthi they are on their own, guys, if you haven't experienced depression, self-initiation, sicela uthule. If you haven't experienced depression, self-initiation, thula guys, thula. Because now sifuna ukufaka imqondo wrong. Yes, we know ukuthi utrainer uthwasiswa abakini nani. But once in a while it helps to associate with people abazothi I'm not here to take your gift. I'm not here to take your gift. Mind you, neyami ngixakile nami ngisafuna okwami okunye khona engifuna ukukusherela abantu. You understand? Ngike ngishare gift yami. If that was possible, believe me, bengingayi-supply. But we are here to say to you, okay, sithanda sami ula esihlahleni, and awazi ukuthi from esihlahleni yini efanele move ngo left or move ngo right. That's all we're here for. I'm here to say to you, mawuku panic mode, to say to you, calm down. It's not as difficult as you think. Because in most cases, you get that people get messages and dreams, but they cannot connect to dream A, B, and C. So ukuthi umuntu uyalithola iphupho lino A, B, and C. Angakwazi ukuconnecta ukuthi okay, from A to B kwenzakalani, from B to C kwenzakalani. And that's what a mentor does. Does not mean ukuthi sihlala every day ungifonele. No. Doesn't work like that. When it is necessary, you get guidance and advice. When it is necessary, fearless. Awuchajwa lutho ngokuthi umuntu oyi-self-initiate and kuthabi in my space, the only thing engizokuchajela yona ukuthi ngikukhanyisele ukuthi ngazi abakini. Because angisebenzi ngomuntu kungabaza abakubo, angifuni umuntu angitshela izinto ezirong. Sihlangahlanganisa izinto besathi yimi engumenzela izinto ezirong. Mangikukhanyisele, what I mean is that abakithi bayakwazi uku-assista when necessary. And I've made a video and I said, mina umuntu oza kimi umuntu othunyelwa abakubo, faneke abakini bakuthumele kimi, ungazilethi wena. Abakuthumele kimi, abakubonise mina, so that awuzilethanga wena ngizokwazi ukuthi ngikusize. Because noma ungeza kimi mawuzilethe wena, ngisho ngingakhuluma ngithini ngeke ungizwe. Instead uzofuna ukutshela mina ukuthi faneke wena wenze njani. So lethwa abakini ngazi ukuthi, and in most cases people that have come to me, most of them will tell me, gogo, yazi ngibaphuphile abakini, gogo kanje, gogo, and then I will say, okay, because I know how they will. Nami abakithi fane bakuvumele ukuthi ungene espacini sami. So lento ukuthi sithi mina guys, I'm sorry but I won't allow abantu ukuthi ba-depresswe indaba ye-spirituality, and I won't allow ukuthi abantu umuntu azagcina a-commit suicide ngoba akaza yephi because sicabanga ukuthi lento it's about imali. That's all we've advertised so far, ukuthi this thing ye-spirituality is about imali. So unfortunately for you, if you think maybe as we say we mentor self-initiates khona imali esiyitholayo, I'm sorry for you. Sorry for you. Astonishment. And that is why we are diviners. Angizukuphikisana nomthetho wabakini nokuthi bakubonisani, but mina ngizok-advise ukuthi okay fine, yabona nje base bayibonise kanje yenziwa kanje. So guys, yabona ke mase sizofuna ukuba indlondlo nalapha ekungafunelanga khona, remember that as we say i-self-initiate yona self iyugobela nje, we understand. So when it's like lapha nje njengedlophu ukukhanyisa nje qha, ufana nje nedlophu ukuthi ube yi-light nyana ukuthi so akunalo mhlambe into elwelayo ukuthi mhlambe khona into esiyitholayo ngokumentorisha. No. And it's very funny that you would fight. Mina guys, hamba indlela yakho wenza into zakho, and we're not imposing anything. I'm not, as a mentor for a self-initiate, I'm not going to impose izinto zakithi kuwe. I'm not even going to impose my journey on yours. Ayifani. I've always said this, ayifani. Nabantu abasiphethe abafani nanani. But we're not going to be selfish ukuthi asikwazi ukusiza abanye abantwana, leyo nyalwa nayo. I'm sorry, leyo nyalwa nayo. Because lo sizo silinikeza thina, we never got that. How I wish when I did my ascension I was alone. I was alone emanzini when I did my ascension. It was raining, it was hell. But I had to go through that so that ngizoyifeel omunye umuntu makufanele ayihambe leyo ndlela. So hey guys, hey, if you're going to use arrogance kule journey, bantu sizolimaza abantu abaningi. Thank you.